Unlocking Creativity, a comprehensive guide to game engines. Introduction to game engines. Game engines are essential tools for developers, enabling the creation of interactive experiences. This presentation will explore the fundamentals, features, and benefits of using game engines to unlock your creativity and enhance game development. Let's dive into the world of game engines and discover their potential. Key features of game engines. Game engines come with a variety of key features that facilitate development. These include graphics, rendering, physics simulation, scripting, and animation tools. Understanding these features can significantly enhance your game development process and help you create more immersive experiences. Benefits of using game engines. Utilizing a game engine offers numerous benefits such as efficiency, collaboration, and access to a wide range of resources. These tools streamline the development process, allowing creators to focus on innovation and storytelling, ultimately leading to more engaging games. Conclusion. Embrace your creativity. In conclusion, game engines are powerful allies in the quest for creativity in game development. By leveraging their features and benefits, developers can create unique and captivating games. Embrace the tools available to you and unlock your full potential in the gaming industry. Building blocks of innovation. Exploring component based design. Component based design is a methodology that emphasizes the creation of software systems using independent components. This approach promotes modularity, allowing for easier maintenance and scalability. By breaking down complex systems into simpler parts, organizations can foster innovation and enhance collaboration among teams. The key principles of innovation include creativity, collaboration, and iteration. By leveraging these principles, teams can develop unique solutions that meet user needs, emphasizing a culture of experimentation encourages teams to explore new ideas and learn from failures, ultimately driving success in product development. Adopting a component-based design approach leads to several benefits, including reduced development time, increased reusability, and enhanced flexibility. By utilizing pre-built components, teams can focus on innovation rather than reinventing the wheel, resulting in faster time to market and improved product quality. Embracing innovation. In conclusion, component-based design serves as a powerful framework for fostering innovation in software development. By embracing its principles, organizations can create agile, scalable systems that adapt to changing needs. The future of technology relies on our ability to innovate and collaborate effectively.